In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do furniture assembly for Amazon 2025, step by step. First, let's get clear on how this work actually flows. Amazon connects customers to local assemblers through partner service platforms, often under Amazon Home Services. A shopper buys a piece of furniture, adds professional assembly at checkout, and a local contractor gets assigned through a partner app. You're not an Amazon employee. You operate as an independent contractor, so you manage your own schedule, tools, and professional conduct. Before you apply anywhere, check demand in your area. Head to Amazon, search for furniture assembly service, and enter your zip code. If services are available where you live, that's a great sign. If results are limited, try nearby zips to gauge neighboring demand and potential travel zones. When you're ready to sign up, apply through the partner platforms Amazon uses, such as major service marketplaces and regional networks. Create a contractor profile and complete the required vetting. Expect to provide ID verification, a background check, business information if you operate under a company, and proof of insurance where requested. Fill out your profile carefully, use accurate service areas, and enable notifications so you don't miss opportunities. Next, assemble your toolkit so you're ready from day one. Bring a reliable power drill with adjustable torque, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, a full Allen key set, a socket wrench, a level, a measuring tape, and a rubber mallet. Pack spare screws, anchors, and felt pads for furniture feet in case hardware is missing or the floor needs protection. Keeping everything organized in a sturdy tote or backpack saves time on site. Once approved, you'll start receiving job notifications. Review each request for furniture type, customer location, and pay, then accept jobs that fit your schedule and travel range. Common items include beds, desks, office chairs, wardrobes, TV stands, and shelving units. Plan your route, account for parking or building access, and communicate through the app if you need clarifications. On appointment day, arrive on time and introduce yourself professionally. Confirm the exact item with the customer, then inspect parts and packaging before you begin. Ask for a clear workspace with good lighting and protect the floor if needed. During assembly, unbox carefully, read the instruction manual, and lay out all parts and hardware. Work in the order provided, hand start fasteners to avoid cross-threading, then tighten securely without over-torquing, especially with particle board. Check for square corners, use your level, and verify that everything is stable and safe. When finished, tidy up, remove or neatly stack packaging, wipe down surfaces, and invite the customer to inspect the result. Take required photos if your platform asks for them, and mark the job complete in the app. That's the full process, from finding demand to delivering a clean, professional finish.